pong tumatawag ngayong hapon sa ating programa. Ang topic po, family law. Kung meron kayong katanungan tungkol sa spousal support, child custody, or divorce per se, ngayon na po ang pagkakataon nyo. Attorney Paul Aquino is here to answer your questions, giving you free legal advice this afternoon on the show. Ria is on the line. Magandang hapon sa'yo, Ria.
Magandang hapon din naman.
Yes. What is your question?
Ang tatanong ko sana kung alam ni Attorney Aquino kung anong gagawin ko to look, it's not about the divorce. Anong gagawin ko, nawawala ang apo ko for 9 years.
Okay, this isn't about divorce. Nawawala...
No.
Okay, nawawala yung apo niya for 9 years.
Re-report lang sa police.
Yeah, no? And then the police will investigate on that. And sometimes that happens too in marriages. Yung
nawawala asawa.
kinikidnap yung tinatangay ng asawa yung
mga anak.
Yeah, what happens sa mga ganung cases?
Ngayon, dati pre-1991, pwedeng yung tinatawag na mga abduction cases, yung pwede mong i-relocate yung anak mo sa ibang state, sa ibang country.
Pag may threat.
Yeah. Dati, pwede mong gawin yun.
Ngayon?
Ngayon, kailangan humingi ka ng consent sa asawa mo.
Okay.
O di kaya ay humingi ka ng consent sa husgado.
Okay, that's why if you're divorced, you can't just get a passport, apply for passport for your kids.
Yeah.
Kailangan may consent ng asawa. Linda is next on the line. Hi, Linda.
Hi.
Yes, go ahead with your question.
May tatanong ako kay attorney. Yung asawa ko ay in-sponsor ko dito na. Ngayon, pagkatapos ng take-off niya, lumayas na. Mayroon bang justice sa akin yun?
Yeah, siguro ang ibig mong sabihin may kinalaman sa immigration law. Pag na-file mo yung petition at lumayas yung kasama mo, kakaunti ang recourse na available sa iyo. Kasi ang tinitingnan ng gobyerno, particularly ng CIS, ng Immigration Office, ay kung in good faith kayo na mag-asawa. Kung totoo kayo na mag-asawa in the truest meaning of the word. Ngayon, kung pagkakuha ng green card at umalis yung asawa mo, wala kang recourse. Mapatunayan mo na may fraud involved.
All right, that is so sad. Lulu is on the line. Hi, Lulu.
Hi, Danielle. Good afternoon.
Yes, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, I just want to know, I'm married for more than 2 years, and my 3 years marriage is in September. Yeah, and my question is...
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm married for 2 years, and third year namin is in September. I just want to know if I can file a divorce, especially when we had a domestic violence last week.
Okay, domestic violence.
Yeah.
Even if you have been married only for 1 day, if there is a ground for filing a divorce, you can always do that all the time.
And please, if domestic violence is concerned...
Especially if domestic violence is involved.
Yeah.
Meron tayong tinatawag na emergency protective restraining order. Kahit na hindi ka pa nakakapag-file ng divorce, pwedeng yung police mismo, officer na pumunta sa bahay mo, pwedeng humingi ng authority from the judge to give you protective orders.
Ayan, nakakalungkot po yung mga storya ngayon, no? Pero yeah, Lulu, if there is a domestic violence present in that marriage, I suggest you do something about it. You can't stay in a marriage like that. I'm sure that it's tough for a lawyer like you to be handling cases like this because it's very emotional.
Of course. I also have my wife. I also have my daughters. It really affects me if I see cases like that.
Okay. So thank you so much for giving us free legal advice today on the show. Robert from Chino Hills. Last call before we go on a break. Yes, Robert.
Hi, I have a question with Attorney Aquino regarding spousal support and child support. Up to how long is it going to take between the two of them to be taken care of?
As far as the child support is concerned, it's usually up to the date when the child becomes 18. But if he is in college, if he or she is in college, it's usually up to age 19. Sa spousal support naman, there are 3 ways of doing it. Merong definite time, merong indefinite time, merong contingency. Ang ibig sabihin noon, definite time is all throughout your lifetime.
Paano nakukuha yung indefinite time?
Depende yun sa husgado.
Okay.
Pero if there is any change of circumstance, you can always go back to the court and ask that the order be modified.
Okay, indefinite time?
Ang indefinite time, yun ang indefinite. Indefinite time is 5 years, 10 years, 15 years.
Contingency.
When you retire. Contingency, if there is an event that will happen, like if you remarry, like if you become 65 years old. So, mayroon tinatawag na ganang contingency.
Okay, lots to talk about, and I hope that we're shedding some light sa mga confusion nyo about family law. We have one more block. When we return, keep calling, and we'll try to get to all your phone calls. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ng bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Ngayong may kahirapan ng buhay, alam namin na may